Sure that we do hate. Even
there are
some
people that
so still we have other people that that give out. So these guys give out food to the street kids in Machinde. You know, they collected different food and gave it to them. So it is called Rabongo at village. They give the food to these people, the village, the street kids, because these people normally don't have people to celebrate with. So here they train these children to do artwork. So this is where kids, you see a kid with a skill drawing something and
art
stuff.
is a very good skill.
Yes, it's a very good skill.
A paying skill.
Yeah. So I think that is so good. They shared food with them.
Yeah.
This is Mechanic Rabongo.
Let's keep up the spirit, guys. Whenever you can, please always give to someone. Okay. So that is the man that accepted people to use his home.
Yes.
Oh, nice.
The home is it's Mechanic Rabongo. It's Rabongo. It's in Machinde. Yeah. That is where the people are. That's where the kids are collected at. Yeah. Even Cafe Javas joined the charity and gave them food. And of course, you can be seeing how these pictures of charity are going through. They're really touching. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, they're touching. It makes you want to go there after the show.
I think I will go there one time.
Yeah, you guys.
Me and my team
have
organize.
to. Yeah, and we come see. We come through.
Yes,
and
Mr. Rabongo.
It's the kids that are
I'm going to go there, I promise.
Mr. Rabongo.
I'm going to organize with
Tuja.
Yes, you see Kabako was there. Yes. Duncan, that's Duncan. Yeah, different people were there. So I think it was a good heart sharing with them Christmas.
And I also feel like giving these kids the skill of art is also charity.
Definitely.
Because that is an education. That is a skill that you teach. You get it is also charity. So it's actually a better thing giving someone a skill than giving them
because
food.
You're giving them something.
Because if you give them a skill, you're giving them a skill that is going to bring food on their table in the future.
Exactly.
So, yeah.
So as well.